Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to use Google Drive files offline in your Android. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. Use this tab to sign in to your Google account. And this right here is the interface of Google Drive. Now let us simply try to use Google Drive files offline. Right here is a folder that is called as video. I'm gonna click on it right now. And let's just say I want to make this video file available offline. Well, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that. Associated with this video, at the top right you will see these three dots or simply more. Click on it right now. And from here you can see multiple options like copy link, make a copy, send a copy, and the main thing we're looking for, make available offline. Click on the button right here. And guys, as you can see, the file will be made available offline. It might take a few minutes depending upon your network speed. And guys, that is it. That's how you make files available offline in Google Drive Android. Now, even if I do not have no internet connection, I can play this video from Google Drive. And guys, that is the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.